Let's design some professional Instagram highlight covers using Canva. Hi, I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website strategy, UI and web design tutorial, and social media strategy. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. So, we here in Canva now. And, we are going to see two methods here. For the first method, we are going to click here it says, Create Design. You can also click the top right corner if you want, both are the same. Now click on this big plus sign that says Custom Size. For Instagram highlight cover, the ideal size would be, width 1080 pixel and height 1920 pixel. It is of course in pixel. But, I should mention, it is not the only size. You can experiment with sizes. Now click here to create the canvas. This is your canvas. We are going to design something simple here. Let's change the color of it first. I am gonna go with a light shade of pink. Now, let's draw a shape here from the Elements tab. As you can see, lots of options here. But for now, let's take this. Make sure it's properly centered. Let's change the color of it too. Now, let's add some other elements to the background. In Canva, you will get a lot of pre-built elements. I am gonna pick this one. Make a copy of it. Place it in the opposite direction. Bring this circle to the top. Maybe, I will give it a bit of transparency. Looks good. Now, add a text here. Go to the Text tab. And, again, you will find a lot of options here. Let's pick this one. Zoom in it a bit. I don't want this one. Type blog. Make it to the center. Bigger font might look good. And change the color to something that complements. Nice and perfect. Now, the second method is very easy. And, if you want to make something very quickly, then this is for you. Again, click here. And, search highlight. That's it, click here. And, what you will see, a huge template library for you. You can choose any design from this. And, apply it to your highlight cover. If you don't know how to change a highlight cover, I will put a video link for you. You should check it out. If you want, you can change it, according to your choice. You can change the color. Change the color style from the Style tab. You can also change the background from the Background tab, and a lot. Finally, all you have to do is save. Even though the suggested format is PNG here, but you can change it to JPG also. Make the quality up to 100. And, click download. It will be downloaded to your device. And, you can use it in your Instagram profile from there. So, there you go. Using the Canva, you can easily create the IG highlights cover. But, if you need pre-designed highlight covers, then, we have created handwriting styled, 103 different text covers for your brand IG profile. You should check out the shop link below for these. And, I will see you in the next video.